Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today, from Tuesday to Tuesday, we will see how your emotional energies are there for Capricorn zodiac. So, how life is going to be. Don't give importance very much to your emotional feelings. Keep it in a balance. Meditate for some time every day, and if you feel low sometimes, go for balancing and healing of your heart chakra. And when your emotional vibrations are well and taken care of very nicely, all other things will follow good behind it. So do some meditation every day. We will now see what the universe wants to say to you this week. Perfect timing. Now is the perfect moment for you to act on your inspirations. Whatever inspirations you get about your partner, you or your partner, whatever you feel about them, this is the perfect time for you, perfect moment for you to act according to that. The doors are open while you walk through them with us by your side. We angels are always with you by your side. The door is open and you can walk without taking any permission. The time is very perfect now. Don't delay or procrastinate, as all of the ingredients are ripe for your success. Everything and everyone is on your side, supporting your positive outcome. So everybody is with you, everything is with you, all the incidents are ripe for you, and whatever decision you take, it is the perfect timing for you that you take the decision, and you can imply the decision and reap the benefits of the decision what you get. And we will see what more the universe wants to put light about this matter. We will see. We will take another card from the Ascension cards. You have got recording crystals. Unexpected information may be revealed, which will help you to comprehend the jigsaw of your life. Many new things which you have not known before or heard before will come into surface now. You will start knowing many unknown hidden facts about your person, or your person may be coming to know about some facts, truths about you. It is all the time now for you to know that. We will see how the energies are there, how your energies worked in your past, how it is now, and how it is going to be in the future. In the past, you have got 9 of Pentacles, so the relationship was going very well. You were very comfort with them. You appreciated your partner. Every aspect of them, you were comfortable with them. You appreciated them. Each and every aspect of them surprised you. You were thinking that nobody is greater than your partner. They are the perfect partner for you. In every aspect, they are as you wanted them to be. They are very mature, they are very innocent, they are very home loving, they are very, in all aspect you feel that they are the correct person, and she or he is your soulmate whom you know from many lives, and this relation is very good. That's what you were thinking. And in the present, you have got Ace of Pentacles. You feel that it is the blessing from the universe that you have got this partner, or your partner may be thinking that it is the blessing of the universe that they have got you, and you are in a solid and consolidated position in your relationship, and it will improve day by day. And 6 of Wands you have got. It says that there will be rapid change in your movement is going to happen in your relationship. You can take your relationship to the next step. You can make it a committed relationship. You can talk about changing it into a committed relationship. You can talk about marriage. You can talk about starting a home, starting a family. These are all in cards for you in the present moment, the time, perfect timing. So if you wish that you want to take this relation to a committed relation, everything will happen, but you are in a dilemma. As the Two of Pentacles says, you are in a dilemma. If I take up this, what will the other person think? Will they agree for it, or will there be any kind of disturbances in our relationship or miscommunication? They have not thought of a committed relationship right now, and I am asking for a committed relationship. So there may be some kind of misunderstanding, and there may be some kind of separation, or you are going to lose them, or you feel that this is the right time. I feel that your person also wants to make it a committed relationship. I have to ask it. So you are in a dilemma, what to do and what not to do. And the future says that the Hierophant, you take the advice of somebody who are near to you, who are elder to you, who are a common friend of both of you, who have some experience in life, who are somewhat ethical, and you feel that they can give good advice to you, or they can give good advice to your person. They can guide you in this matter. They can make you to feel that when, where, how I can ask about the committed relationship matter with my partner. When can I do? You take the guidance of them. And Nine of Cups you have got. You feel like that, but your person is also feeling very comfort that it should be taken to the committed relationship. What all we have come to this point, now it is the time we start a family. We step into wedlock and make it a family, and we reap the rewards of what all relation we had, friendship we had. So the other person, your person, is also in the same mood, thinking that he should never lose you, he or she should never lose you. They should always be committed towards you. They want the relations to become committed. And Six of Pentacles says that it is only up to you to ask. They will immediately say yes to the relation, and you can take the relation to wedding, and very soon wedding bells will ring for you, and this relationship will be a happy ending. Now we will see what the conclusion message you have got from the universe, which you have to follow. I am a divine, magnificent expression of life, and I deserve the very best. I accept miracles. I accept healing. I accept wholeness, and most of all, I accept myself. I accept that all that I have created for myself. So go ahead and open your heart with your partner, and you can take your relation into a committed relationship. You can go for wedding. Soon the wedding bells will be ringing for you. It is a happy, joyous, pleasant, welcome time ahead for you. If you like our video, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.